Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to translate videos with HeyGen step by step. First, open your browser and go to the HeyGen website. Sign in to your account and open the video translation or localization feature. Next, upload the video you want to translate. Make sure the video has clear audio so HeyGen can accurately understand the spoken content. After uploading the video, select the original language and then choose the target language you want to translate the video into. HeyGen can process the spoken content and create a translated version of your video. Depending on the available features, you may also be able to preserve the original speaker's appearance and synchronize the translated speech with the video. Before generating the final version, review the translation settings carefully. Make sure the selected languages are correct and the translated content matches your intended message. Now start the translation process and wait for HeyGen to finish processing the video. Processing time may vary depending on the video length and the selected options. Once the translated video is ready, preview it from beginning to end. Check the translation, pronunciation, timing, lip synchronization, and overall quality. If everything looks correct, export the translated video using the available options. And that's how you can translate videos with HeyGen and create content for viewers who speak different languages. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.